So, this is gonna be a video on why PCs or Windows are better than Macs. PCs, they're totally customizable and you can make them look really cool. And excuse my hair, I just woke up. So, PCs, they're a lot more easy to understand and find stuff. And yeah, they do come with Word and everything, which is really cool. So software-wise, they are better than Mac. Mac, I'd say, is a little bit faster for some stuff, but not a lot. So PCs, I have this Gateway Windows XP on my desk. And so yeah, I like that one, and it's a good thing I didn't make my name anything Apple, because then that'd be kind of weird posting Windows videos. But yeah, Windows are better, and yes, if one guy put a comment in my video saying if you build a PC, which I'm currently working on one, I'll show you. I just bought all the supplies and I'm waiting for some of it to come. And the body came for it first, so I put on the body just so nobody would touch it. And so if you build it, there's going to be less crapware and it's going to be a profit. So let's see. Not all of the stuff is there. Let's see. I'm missing some drives and some wires, and I'm pretty sure I need a new motherboard. But yeah, a Mac would be way too freaking hard to build. So an advantage with the PC is that you could build one. Hi, Dakota. And so I'm building that, and I hope to have it done really soon, but it's going to take a while. Okay, I'm getting a FaceTime, and I don't know who it is, but see you guys later.